You know, one of the things I like to do first thing in the morning, I like to make sure I'm charged. I like to make sure all my bikes are charged. Need to make sure I eat a good breakfast so that I'm charged. That's how you should start your day. Yeah. I like taking a few moments and just sitting here, listening to the birds. Can you hear them? They're out there singing their sweet tunes. Have a little breakfast, a little beverage, and then I start my day. I don't even drink coffee. But you can find mugs like this one and others over at our brand new merch store hosted at ebikeReviews.com, a new website we just started. Yeah, so the family and I getting together, we're making some merch, we're making some coffee mugs, we're making some shirts. Can you see that? Start each day charged. Yeah. Yeah. That's how I like to start my day. Hey, hop on over there to eBikeReviews.com and check out all the styles we have, because we've got styles, well, we created them ourselves. So some of them are a little quirky, some of them might be a little corny, some of them might be kind of cool. You might like to pick yourself up, well, a mug, or maybe a t-shirt or two. There's a squirrel hopping by right here. Oh, can you see it? Oh. I think he ran just out of view when I moved the camera. You know, funny thing is, Toby's just right here at the end of the desk. And that darn squirrel, he showed up here a couple of weeks ago, and he bounces around and goes back and forth across the driveway. Toby just sits there and looks at him. Not a care in the world. But let a dog walk by, boy, and he's on high alert. Anyway, hop on over there to eBikeReviews.com, brand new website we just launched recently. Got a lot of great information over there, all of our best e-bikes, all of our recommended brands, the e-bikes that we enjoy the most, that we think you will enjoy the most, coffee cups, t-shirts. Yeah, go check it out.